All right, so we've done 1 point perspective, outside and then inside. So now I want to show you outside 2 point perspective. So same thing, start with the horizon line, and we're going to go ahead and draw 2 points here on either side. And we're going to do, let's do 2 point outside. Okay. So what you want to do is, the difference with 2 point perspective and 1 point perspective is you're looking at a corner. So with outside, let's say there's a building right here. Let's just make it kind of big. You're gonna be looking at a corner. So you're on the corner of the road, and the corner of the road kind of goes there. So if there's like a sidewalk, it's going to be there. And here's this. And on the other side of the sidewalk is here. Same thing as this. That's not correct. Like that. Okay. So this is the building, and usually buildings are taller than people. So just keep in mind, like, this is still eye level. There's a person, there's a person back here. They're going to be a little smaller, right? Their feet are in line, their heads are in line. If they're taller or whatever than the person who's doing the eye level thing, then that's part of it. But yeah, so you've got the top of the building. Top of the building goes down to this point here. Let's just say this is the end of the building here. That's where it ends, and maybe there's another building. That building's a little taller. That would be back here. Okay, so it's a little, see how it's a little taller there. There's the side of the building. So everything that's on this side is going to go to that vanishing point. Everything's going to go to that vanishing point. And then there's also a vanishing point here. So let's just say that it goes down like that. There's the side of our building. Let's say they're coming to the door here. Door's going to have to be taller than these people. It's like that. Let's pretend like that door is open. Okay, so this is the tricky part. If the door is open, the door is swinging out, it's gonna, let's just say it's at a 90-degree angle. It's actually got to go to that point. So it goes that way. Okay, so does the bottom of the door. So it's going to swing out like that. There's our door. Okay, and then maybe that's part of the glass or something. Okay, that's inside the store or whatever. So likewise, if it's got signs on the outside, they're going to be going down to this thing. Here's that, signs. These lines are always going to be parallel. The signage is going to the letters will get smaller as they go away, just like the people do. There could also be windows. The windows on this side follow the perspective, and then anything that goes over here is like that. It goes over there. So it's just like the inside of the door there. So that's outside. Outside, the big areas like the building, it's going to this side or this side here. And then if you have things that sort of indent, let's do another one here right fast. So let's say you've got something and it's got 3 corners. Okay. So this is still outside. We're just a little further away. And maybe it's like this. Okay, so you've got a building. You're kind of looking at it, and the building is angled. So it's going to angle. This side's going to go over to here. This side is also going to go over to here. And then, so too will the bottom. So too will this bottom. It's going to go there, like that. And then this side's going to go there. Right, and then here is this. It's going to come to here, ding, and like this, ding. Okay, so then you've got other things that are in there, but you could have, like, if we're up a little higher, people are, maybe we're on the 2nd floor of the building across the street. anything that's below the line is going to angle down. So like here's another door. Okay, it's going to angle down like this. Okay, anything that's above is going to go down. So like here's this, it's still parallel, but like this is, say this is a big window, it's going to get bigger as it comes towards us. You see? So there's the window. There's another window. So it's ding, and then ding. That's a little bit too much. And maybe that we're just going to have like a big entranceway here. On this other door, you're coming from this point on this side, like that. And then maybe the entranceway goes back. And then there's another wall. And maybe the door's back here. Okay, something like that. So this is outside. We're still looking at those corners. Okay, but it's like, you know, if this is A, this is B, then this is an A side, this is an A side, this is a B side, this is a B side. Okay, the ones that go over here to the B, over here to the B, over here to the A, over here to the A. Okay, so that's multiple corners. Okay, so it gets a little bit more confusing, but you can do some more, you know, interesting stuff if you wanted to do like a little plaza with a fountain or something. You could do it here. Anyway, all right, so that's outside for the 2 point.